Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. आज फिर से हमारे साथ आयशा है जो तुमने देखा होगा टेक्सटिंग वाली वीडियो में और आई कांटेक्ट वाली वीडियो में। इसलिए आज हम बात करेंगे बॉडी लैंग्वेज के बारे में एंड हाउ दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स जब भी तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो, बी इट अ गर्ल और बी इट अ गाय, एंड क्यों लोग वहां पे तुमसे बात करते हुए एकदम टर्न ऑन हो जाते हैं, क्रीप आउट हो जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव बैड बॉडी लैंग्वेज। सो द नंबर वन मिस्टेक पीपल मेक व्हाइल टॉकिंग टू अ गर्ल इज एक्सक्यूज मी, हेलो, are you free right now? Can I talk to you for like one moment?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I thought your shoes are very nice. I wanted to give you a compliment on that.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Aisha.
Oh, my name is Kshitij.
Hi, Kshitij.
Nice to meet you, Aisha. This makes the girl uncomfortable क्योंकि वो पीछे हो रही है. At the same time, you look much more needy. You know, तुम बहुत ज़्यादा ego हो, तुम्हें लड़की को ज़्यादा ही पसंद है, although you don't even like her. A better way to do that is, excuse me, hello.
Hi.
I want to say you've got an absolutely beautiful dress.
Oh, thank you.
Very similar to flowers, like you're looking like a bouquet of flowers right now.
Oh, that's so sweet of a compliment.
Really?
Yeah.
Somebody calls you bouquet of flowers, you think it's very sweet?
Yeah, flowery and all that.
चलो ठीक है. I like your energies. And what's your name?
Aisha.
Nice to meet you, Aisha.
Hi.
Kshitij. There's decent space in between you, and तुम ज़्यादा lean in करके desperation अपनी दिखा नहीं रहे हो. So one trick that I like to do is I like to stay on my back foot, and then अगर कुछ बात बोलनी है, I move in and then I come back. So I'm not leaning in all the time, just rocking on my back foot. What do you think about that?
I think that's great. You can seem as too clingy if you are.
अगर तुम ऐसे lean in कर रहे हो.
Yes.
Point number 2. People talk to a girl and they're standing like this. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. I wanted to ask you a question. Do you have 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I wanted to ask, are you a Barbie person or Oppenheimer person?
Both actually.
Both?
Yeah, I don't think that should be a question.
I mean, I'm just curious because all of my friends, no one is going with me to watch Barbie. Bhai, pull your shoulders back, stand up straight and talk. सीधा खड़े होके. Excuse me. Hello.
Hi.
I want to ask a question. Quick question. Yeah, and I want a female opinion on this.
Alright.
क्योंकि मेरे सारे दोस्त, all the girls, I don't understand क्या चल रहा है. Are you more of a Barbie fan or an Oppenheimer fan?
I watched both and I loved both.
Oh, because the thing is, when I'm asking my girlfriends to go with me to watch Barbie, वो actually Oppenheimer देखने जा रही हैं. It's crazy.
I mean, that shouldn't even be a question, right?
I don't know. Tell the girls there. मुझे समझ, it's beyond my
I'm going to
reach.
speak to your friends now.
I know. तुम्हें मिलवाना पड़ेगा मुझे उनसे.
Yeah, definitely.
How do you feel अगर कोई आयशा तुमसे ऐसे आके बात करता है तो?
I think confidence makes a lot of difference. I think the posture says a lot about you. So if you
Right.
have a good posture, I think it's very attractive. Not like that, but,
Our army style posture.
but a good posture. You know?
Good posture.
Yeah.
It's super important.
Yep.
Coming to body language mistake number 3. जब भी तुम लड़की से बात कर रहे होते हो, तुम एक जगह खड़े नहीं हो यार. तुम ऐसे हिल के बात कर रहे हो. आयशा, हेलो, क्या चल रहा है? अच्छा, okay. Very jittery body language. How do you feel जब कोई ऐसे बात कर रहा होता है
Yeah, I
तुमसे?
don't like it. I hate fidgeting because my energy is not going to you. It's just
Scattered.
Scattered.
Focus नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah. And I get very disinterested after that.
And I think it showcases a lot of anxiety. कि यार तुम anxious हो इसलिए तुम इतना ज़्यादा move कर रहे हो. All the movements that need to happen, like of course तुम्हें stiff नहीं खड़े होना है, but whatever movements जो तुम्हारी हो रही हैं, they should happen intentionally.
Yep.
जैसे अभी like I'm talking right now, I would want to use my hands, but अगर मैं बस ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ और हिले जा रहा हूँ, then that seems a bit weird.
Yeah.
Coming to point number 4, the 4th biggest body language mistake is not understanding space and distance. मतलब लोग क्या करते हैं? Excuse me, hello, yeah, what's that you're drinking?
It's cocktail.
Oh, okay. It's a very fancy cocktail. I've never seen it. What's your name?
Aisha.
Aisha.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. I mean, are you waiting for some friends right now?
Yes, actually, my friends are coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Even I'm waiting for some friends, so I thought I'd just
Great.
talk to you. अब इतना पास आ गए हैं. अब उन्होंने देखा that she's uncomfortable, but उन्होंने register नहीं करा. वो पीछे हुई है, तो वो और पास चले जाएंगे. And now she's stuck in the corner and she's getting very uncomfortable. This is where all the problems start to happen. क्योंकि लड़की unsafe feel कर रही है. How do you feel?
Especially with guys, they don't understand the concept of boundaries, and sometimes they get too friendly. I think it's very creepy and it should be avoided at all costs. Try and understand somebody's personal boundaries, especially when you're meeting them for the first time or like.
For sure.
Yeah. So I think you need to understand that. Don't try to like hold me or like be too touchy.
Yeah.
I think we should respect each other's boundaries.
And at the same time, be aware कि उसके expressions कैसे हैं. अगर मैं
yes.
ज़्यादा पास आ गया and you like this held back, तो my job is to take a step back. So anytime if I say hi to a girl, मैं इतनी दूर से बोलता हूँ because this is fine. अगर मैं इतना दूर हूँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हो जाता है. मैं इतना पास हूँ now that's again too close because she'll go back. इतना ठीक है. And now naturally जैसे बातें आगे बढ़ती हैं, the more I know her, then I can get a bit close because फिर वो space में we can get closer and now she's comfortable with me. So notice the signs. If she takes a step back, do not take a step forward. मतलब तुम्हें क्या करना है? Just stay there only, और even better एक step पीछे थोड़ा सा जो अभी तुम्हें बताया था rock on your back foot वो करो rather than going in again. That will make her more comfortable talking to you. Just कि तुम्हें space and boundaries तुम्हें समझ आ रहा है.
Try and understand somebody else's body language as well.
Right, वही. You need to be aware about those things. And then finally, mistake number 5 that people make is वो लड़की से ऐसे बात करते हैं. Excuse me, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Aisha?
Okay, nice to meet you, Aisha. My name is Kshitij. Do you want to tell कैसा feel हो रहा है तुम्हें अभी?
Yeah, just like look at me. I think you're disinterested and already very anxious and nervous and you want to run away from me.
Yeah, it seems like
That's
that.
not making me feel very good about myself.
So one thing that I like to do is, and we call this squaring up. मतलब anytime I'm talking to a girl, I want to make sure my feet point towards her feet, my shoulders point towards her shoulders. ऐसे आधे आधे नहीं करना है. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I wanted to tell you look absolutely beautiful today.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Aisha.
Nice to meet you, Aisha. My name is Kshitij.
Hi, Kshitij.
Yeah. So इस way में when I'm out here, it's like a square that's being formed between the shoulders and the feet. This way it shows confidence कि I want to talk to you rather than want to run away और मेरी फट रही है इतनी कि मैं रुक ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे. और even कि मैं interested ही नहीं हूँ तुमसे बात करने के लिए, I want to have some other place to go. So when you talk to her like this normally. Of course बीच में you can move and you can be here and there, use your body language, but at the same time square up and talk to her. Alright boys, those are the 5 biggest body language mistakes जो तुम लोग कर रहे हो. और अगर तुम्हें अभी अपनी dating life में कोई भी problems हैं and you want to learn how to be more confident, how to talk to girls, how to go on more dates, ऑनलाइन डेटिंग में मैचेस कैसे लाने हैं, we've recently launched our new course Sim to Start 2.0 जिसका लिंक मैं नीचे डाल रहा हूँ. Go to sim2start.com, check it out. अभी लॉन्च ऑफर चल रहा है उसके लिए. The prices are going to increase literally in a week. And if you want to see more such videos with Aisha की Instagram ID है
Just being Aisha.
and you can follow her on Instagram. हम नीचे description में भी डाल देंगे. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you check out Sim to Start.